Thought I'd do a little bird update. Ain't done one in a while. Look how big he got. I don't know what this is. Chicken crap. I don't know what it is about these dried mealworms, but chickens go crazy over it. They doing good, they healthy. I'm gonna leave them in for a little while longer. I want them to get a little bigger, kind of full size before I let them out. The little loudmouth there, he's liable to jump on them. They're starting to make regular little chicken noises. They're still squeaking a little bit too. Little chirp chirps. I hadn't done a chicken update in a while. I figured I'd do one. Let you know they all still here, doing good. Wish I'd have thought of that trap a lot sooner. I'd have a few more.